Grade 6 Cbse Chapter 9 Poem What If Solution Summary and Question Answers. What if summary? There are times when fears and doubts fill our minds and we begin to think what if something unpleasant happens. The poet has written this poem about it. Last night I lay in bed thinking. I wondered what would happen if I am dumb in school. What if they don't let me enter the swimming pool and beat me? Maybe someone puts poison in my cup. Who knows, I might start crying, get sick and die. Am I going to fail the test? There can be other mishappenings. I may grow green hair on my chest and I am disliked by all. I may be a victim of lightning. I may not grow taller and instead begin to grow smaller. The wind may tear my kite. There may be a war. My parents might get divorced. All such ideas go on increasing in number and I remain disturbed. So that's end of summary. Question answers. Who is the speaker in the poem? The speaker in the poem is a child. Question number 2. With your partner, list out the happenings the speaker is worried about. Answer. The speaker is worried if he was dumb in school, if they had closed the swimming pool, if he got beaten up, if there was poison in his cup, if he started to cry, if he got sick and died, if he flunked that test, if green hair grew on his chest, if nobody liked him, if a bolt of lightning struck him, if he did not grow taller, if his head started getting smaller, if the fish would not bite, if the wind tore up his kite, if they started a war, if his parents got divorced, if the bus was late, if his teeth did not grow in straight, if he tore his pants, if he never learned to dance. So all these are happening, the speaker is worried about. So children, you have to write in points. Write these as points, not as paragraph. Question number 3. Why do you think she or he had these worries? Can you think of ways to get rid of such worries? She has these worries because in the night she is free. Therefore, the fearful thoughts started coming in his mind. To get rid of such worries, she should involve their mind in creative work. Question number 4. Read the following line. Somewhat is crawled inside my ear. Somewhat is crawled inside my ear. Can words crawl into your ear? This is an image. The poet is trying to make an image of what she or he experiences. Now with your partner, try and list out some more images from the poem. Some other images are pranced and partied all night long, sang their old Whatif song, what if a bolt of lightning strikes me? Extra questions. Right? Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear and pranked and partied all night long. Pranced, not H, Pranced, and sang their same old what if song. What if I'm dumb in school? What if they have closed the swimming pool? So the explanation is, the poet says that the last night he was observed with the what if thoughts that constantly heard inside his ears. He felt annoyed as it was partying and enjoying the troubles it causes. He thinks, what if he were the dumbest in the calm? His worry regarding swimming pool shows the inclination towards it. What crawled inside his ears again and again? When he was lying, thinking, the what if song crawled into his mind. Who was haunting his mind? The same old what if song haunted his mind. What if he liked and disliked about the schooling? He disliked being taken as a dumb person and liked the swimming pool. He was worried about closing the swimming pool. Find out the synonym for walked in a lively manner from the extract. Prance. What if I get beat up? What if there is poison in my cup? What if I start to cry? What if I get sick and die? What if I flunk the test? So the poet questions that what would happen if he was beaten up or poisoned. He seemed to be hesitant in expressing emotionally. That is why he asked what will happen if he start crying. He was scared of getting sick and death. He was fear of losing in a test is also a matter of great concern. Questions: why was he disheartened by being beaten up? He was scared to be broken down. He did not want to be defeated. Second question is, what do you get from there is poison in my cup? The poet wanted to live and was scared to hell about death. Why he was scared of crying? He did not want to ridicule by showing emotion in public. Explain flunk the test. He was afraid of tests. He did not want to fail. He seemed to be a sincere person. What does the last line suggest about the poet? The last line suggests that the poet is a student or writing on his behalf. Third question is, what if green hair grows on my chest? What if nobody likes me? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? What if I don't grow taller? What if my head starts getting smaller? What if the fish won't bite? The weirdest thought anyone could handle wouldn't at least be green hair grown on his chest. He was scared of the left schedule. The poet thinks of lightning bringing terror in his heart. He wanted to be tall, so was scared. He was afraid of becoming out of shape as he talks about his head getting smaller. He must be fond of fishes as he says that what happens? He fails to get a fish. Now the question is, which is his most funniest and weirdest fear? Funniest one is when he thinks of having green hair on his chest. Which of these lines talk about his fear of being ignored socially? What if nobody likes me? Do you think any of his fear is realistic? No, none of his fear is realistic. Anyone has to come. None of his fear is realistic. Don't write any idea. What is his idea of height? He wants to grow taller. Change the verb strike into noun. Striker. Question number 4. What if the wind tears up my kite? What if they start a war? What if my parents get divorced? What if the bus is late? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? What if I tear my pants? What if I never learn to dance? Everything seems well. And then the night time, what if strikes again? The explanation of this paragraph is, the child is afraid of wind that can tear up his kite. What could be the repercussion if any war starts? He is afraid if his parents get separated. He is scared if his bus gets late. He is worried about the shape of his teeth. He also thinks he cannot learn dance as he is scared of getting insulted or ridiculed. He wanted to learn dance and is afraid. The child woke up next morning and felt good, but the homing idea of what if strike again. Does the child love his family? Yes, the child loves his family. Explain this line from the poem What If I Tearing Pants? Child was afraid of tearing his pants because he'll be mocked at. What happens when everything seems well? In the morning, the natural course of events started happening. When does what if strikes again? At the night time, the what if strikes again. Gives synonyms of swell, inflate. Thank you.